Yo, what's up everybody? Let's talk about music in this video. Specifically, how to make it, where to get it, and how to potentially make some money from it. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-generated music. We're gonna be creating original tracks using just our laptops and some seriously smart software. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting, AI is changing the game. We're talking about creating custom tracks in different genres, moods, you name it, all without breaking the bank. And the best part? We're gonna show you how to turn those AI-generated beats into actual profit. Let's get started. Alright, before we jump into the how-to, let's break down this whole AI music thing. You've probably heard of artificial intelligence doing all sorts of crazy stuff from writing code to creating art, but music? Yep, AI's got its virtual hands in that too. We're talking about software that's been trained on massive amounts of data. Think millions of songs, melodies, and harmonies. These AI music platforms analyze all that musical information and then use it to generate completely original tracks based on your specific input. You get to choose the genre, the mood, whether it's upbeat and funky or something more mellow and atmospheric. Some of the big players in this space right now are Soundful, AIVA, and Amper Music. The key takeaway here is that AI music isn't some futuristic concept. It's a real deal, and it's changing the way we create. Okay, enough talk, let's make some music. For this example, we're going to be using Soundful. First things first, you're going to need to sign up for an account. Most of these platforms offer free trials or limited free plans, so you can test the waters before committing. Once you're in, it's time to start creating. Soundful has this really intuitive interface where you can dial in the kind of music you're looking for. They've got all the standard genres like pop, rock, electronic, hip-hop, but also specific subgenres like lo-fi hip-hop or cinematic orchestral. Want a track with a driving beat and heavy synth sounds? No problem. Looking for something more acoustic and mellow, maybe with a focus on piano and strings? AI's got you covered. Once you've made your selections, hit that generate button and let the magic happen. Most platforms will generate multiple variations of your track based on the same input, each with its own unique flavor. Now, just because the AI has done the heavy lifting doesn't mean we can just slap these tracks into our videos and call it a day. Think of the AI as your songwriting partner. They've come up with the initial idea, but it's up to you to shape it, refine it, and really make it your own. This is where editing comes in. Free tools like Audacity are great for getting started, or if you're already using something like GarageBand or Logic, you can easily import your AI-generated tracks there. Adjust the levels to make sure the different instruments are balanced and that the overall volume is consistent. Add fades in and out to create smoother transitions, especially if you're using the music as background for a video or podcast. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment. Maybe you want to layer two different AI-generated tracks together to create something completely new. Or maybe you want to add some of your own sound effects or vocals on top. The key here is to treat the AI-generated music as a starting point, a foundation upon which you can build and create something truly unique. And that's it. We've gone from zero to AI-powered music producers in just a few minutes. Remember, the beauty of this technology is that it's constantly evolving. As AI gets smarter, the quality of the music is only going to get better. We're talking about a future where anyone, regardless of their musical background, can create professional-sounding tracks for their projects. But here's the best part. This isn't just about making music for yourself. It's also a legitimate way to earn some extra cash. Platforms like Soundful and others allow you to sell your AI-generated tracks either directly to other users or through their own marketplaces. So not only can you unleash your inner musician, but you can potentially turn your passion into profit. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more content creation tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.